Today we're going to look at the Dynamo charging system on a Nuffield. A lot of my Nuffields have converted to alternator, but this one I want to keep original, and it's not charging, so we're going to investigate. All you will need a voltmeter and a few bits of wire. And to save confusion when we talk about whether the tractor's connected negative or positive earth, we'll just take the power from the wire that goes on the starter motor. So if I just clip this on here and pass that wire over there, we'll continue the test round the other side. Now, I've disconnected the fan belt so that the dynamo can turn, and I've just put a little link wire between the two terminals. And if we touch this wire on here now, the dynamo should run as an electric motor. And as you can see, the dynamo is running just like an electric motor. You may also have heard of people talking about polarizing dynamos. Well, by touching the power onto the terminals, I've just done that. But if I take this link off now, if somebody says, how do you polarize a dynamo? Well, you just do this. Onto the little terminal and just touch it on for a couple of seconds, and that's it, polarized. Done. We now know that the dynamo's working okay, so we can put these wires back on. And now the tests continue the other side. Round this side we've got the regulator box. So first of all, we take all the wires off. Don't forget which one goes where, but you can check the colour of the wires at the dynamo end. This one's being difficult. There we go, got them all off. Okay, that wire goes to the dynamo. So if I just stick that in there, and this one goes to the field on the dynamo again, put that in there. Now when I touch this to the one that goes to the battery, the dynamo should again run like a motor. And if we listen, there it is running like a motor. So we've now checked out that there's no breaks in the wires. Everything's running correctly. We've got power coming in and we've got the two wires to the dynamo all working correctly. So take that out, it's just a simple bit of wire I made up to join all three together. We can put that there. So now we're down to the control box. This isn't the correct control box for this tractor, it's come off something second hand, and while I could start messing around with it, they're not expensive. This come off eBay for less than £20. Brand new, correct control box. So we fit that back on there, and the two battery leads go onto the terminals marked B. The large one to the dynamo goes on the 1D. The black one goes on earth. And the brown and green one goes on the terminal marked field. So that's connected up. We'll just nip round the other side and put the fan belt back on. Pull that up tight temporarily, and if we come back round this side, we're all ready to test now. There's the voltmeter. Can you see the reading on the voltage meter, Mary? We'll fire her up. There we go, job's a good one. She's charging again. Happy tractoring everybody.